You see, the important question is that who is the beneficiary over here by these acts of terrorism in Pakistan? It is India. Because what is happening here is the strategy of India is to keep the Pakistan embroiled in this menace of terrorism, so that the true potential, the true power potential of Pakistan is not realized, which is the destiny that we owe to the people of Pakistan, the 250 million people of Pakistan, that is not realized. And the power differential between the two countries keep on increasing, so that India can act as a regional hegemon, a bully, and can dictate its own terms. So this is the largest strategy. And it serves India very well. It is that ideal tool of terrorism, the state-sponsored terrorism, that India has therefore embarked as a policy against Pakistan. And if you see historically, it is not that it's being done for the first time, and it's not only in the last 2 decades plus this is being done. If you go way back in 1971, what was Mukti Bani? That was also state-sponsored terrorism of India. And historically, if you see, Indians have acknowledged it. Prime Minister Modi went on record, not only acknowledged but boasted about it, that we use terrorism, we use Mukti Bani. On the other hand, what Pakistan is doing? Pakistan is not only fully committed to fight this menace of terrorism, we are also fully committed to uproot this extremism and address this extremism in this society, because India, over a period of time, has taken lot of advantage out of this drum beating of this extremism, this Islamic extremism in Pakistani societies. But what you have asked, to understand that, we have to first acknowledge and we have to first see that there is not one face of Indian terrorism. Indian terrorism in Pakistan has multiple faces. And I would like you to take briefly on these faces of terrorism with evidence that what India has been doing. So the first phase is this transnational killings, which in even the Canada, their Prime Minister, and in the America and the whole world is now saying that the Indians are involved. Pakistan, if you see, has come on record much earlier. This was in last year in 2024. These are the faces of the raw handlers. You can see his name. This is Anand, Ashok Kumar Anand. This is the raw handler who is involved, and this is the accomplice. Yogesh Kumar. These are raw handlers. Pakistan came on record with proofs, with terror financing of their involvement in transnational killing through criminal enterprise in Pakistan, targeted killings. It's all on public record. You move forward. This is just, I think, a couple of months ago. This is a deep-rooted investigation that was made public of Indian terror cell of Major Sandeep. This is a military intelligence officer serving official, Major Sandeep cell, which is carrying out IEDs, planting those all over Pakistan. And if you see these, you can see their records, the transactions that are going on between these people. These are the faces of these are his other accomplices. This is a serving non-commissioned officer, Sakhwinder, of the Indian military intelligence. These are the other soldiers who are involved and how they are doing it. These are the audios that have all been made public already, where the instructions are being passed, where the money is being exchanged, where the targeting is being done. And these terror cells are operating, and they are telling that we are operating in Pakistan from Lahore to Quetta, and we are doing it for years. So this all evidence of these IEDs, where they were placed, how they are being done, this is all on record. And that is not all. If you see the Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Ajit Dawal, what have they been saying? Have they not gone public and saying that we need to destabilize Pakistan, we need to destabilize Balochistan? The world has seen the words of Bikram Singh, the Indian Chief of Army Staff, that we need to instill destabilization in Balochistan and in Pakistan. Their political faces. And once these terrorist leaders Some of them surrender, some of them are captured. Once they debrief them, and then they go public, and they come very clean that it is India who is funding them. This is Mr. Sarfraz Bangalzai. This is a press conference, public press conference. He surrendered with his 70 terrorists and told very clearly that it was Indians who are funding it, Indians who are planning it. It is raw. And not only that they are using men, they are also exploiting the Baloch women for this nefarious purposes. This is Mr. Gulzar Imam Shambe. He was head of the Baloch Nationalist Army. He was a top leader. He surrendered. And he told the horrific details that how the Indians, the raw, they are doing all this terrorism. That how he went to India in 2017, met the raw officials, how funding was done, how all this is being orchestrated. This is Najibullah. This year came public along with his accomplices. Same old story. So these are living humans who are telling that, and these are acknowledged leaders of the Fitna al Hindustan, of these people who are doing terrorism in Pakistan. And who can forget the serving commander Kulbhushan Yadav? His case, everything is clear. His statement is absolutely clear. His cross-examination, everything is clear. That how Raw is orchestrating terrorism inside Pakistan. These all is public. This evidence is also public. What I'm showing you here is the ringleaders. This is Mr. Bashir. This is Bashir Zeb. This is the of Fitna al Hindustan. This is Aslam Achu. These are the Indian provided passports, the travel documents. These are the places and hospitals in India where they have been treated. This is the Kharji commander Malik Faridoon in Indian hospital getting treatment. This is